Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something special for you. A review of the 2025 Subaru 360. Yes, you heard that right. This little gem, now available in a stunning purple color, is a throwback to the iconic original, but with all the modern touches you'd expect from Subaru. Let's dive in and see what makes this car so unique. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Subaru 360 keeps the compact, quirky design that made the original so famous. But now it's wrapped in this eye-catching purple paint job that just pops. The small, rounded body gives it a retro feel, but the sleek lines and modern detailing show that Subaru has really thought about how to blend the past with the present. It's got those signature circular headlights and a cute compact rear, making it clear this is a car with personality. Despite its size, the car looks polished, with sharp accents and attention to detail that make it stand out on the road. Step inside and the fun continues. The interior of the Subaru 360 is surprisingly stylish for such a compact car. Even though it's small, the cabin feels well designed with smart use of space. The seats are comfy, and the upholstery matches the car's purple theme, offering a modern yet retro vibe. You've got a simple but functional dashboard with all the essential features you need, including a touchscreen display for infotainment, climate controls, and even a few modern tech touches like Bluetooth connectivity and smartphone integration. It's cozy but efficient, making sure you're comfortable for both short trips and longer drives. Under the hood, the 2025 Subaru 360 offers a bit more performance than you'd expect from such a tiny car. It's got a modest engine, but thanks to its lightweight build, it handles like a dream. It's perfect for city driving and navigating tight spaces, offering a smooth, nimble ride that's easy to control. You might not be racing down the highway, but for what it's built for, it's a blast to drive. The low-to-the-ground design gives it great handling, and the small engine keeps fuel efficiency high, which is perfect for eco-conscious drivers looking for something efficient and fun. Now, let's talk prices. The 2025 Subaru 360 starts at around $15,000, making it one of the most affordable cars in its class. If you're looking for a fun, nostalgic ride with modern features, it's a great deal. Of course, prices can vary depending on the trim level and additional options, but in general, this is a car that won't break the bank, especially considering the tech and design you're getting. So overall, the 2025 Subaru 360 in purple is a charming little car that brings together the best of both worlds: retro design with modern performance and features. Whether you're a fan of compact cars or just want something that stands out, the Subaru 360 is definitely worth considering. It's got character, style, and a surprisingly enjoyable driving experience, all for a budget-friendly price. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the 2025 Subaru 360. Would you drive a purple car? Let us know. Until next time, drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.